Alright, now we're going after we're going after the tiger. Them. So it's supposed to be like insanely, I guess, pound for pound, the most XP on this one. I don't know if there's a bet or if there's another fishing tournament that's better or gives you more XP pound for pound. We're down here. Well, see, we're down here at the end. There's this. There, yeah, you can also get all the unique. I know that they get them in the morning for the boat up here. Down here is that waterfall thing. There's where you launch the boat and then drive over, or one of them places. And then drive all the way down to right here to this floor now. Yeah. And that's where I'll show you where I got a trophy down there, fucking around just trying to spot, and you can get there I was able to do a picture of them. But yeah, down here, that's where basically down here. About that far. That's where, well, that was a trophy, but trying to get, didn't get the other roll down. Alright, let's see what we have here. I didn't try it in the mornings yet, but I got that trophy in the evening. Actually, I was over there. Come back over there because I was trying it over here. Hurt. Fucking around there. Hopefully this is not a goddamn fight. Or no, I did end up getting one kitty cat because I was still here at night. After 9, then I got a kitty cat. Hopefully that other one doesn't get off me. Yeah. These things, and they also look pretty cool. And I was fucking around trying to spot. Because they're right there, I'm right here, so I don't have to go there. Jump back in the boat, or go back over there and now I'll push this and come back over here and take a break out of the boat. Kind of curious but I did get a kitty cat or catfish after 9 in this spot too. So at nighttime, which of course you get kitty cat. I don't know if you can get how big a kitty cat you can get in the spot. I don't know. I ain't gonna try to test that. Or anytime soon. Not saying I won't, but alright, that should be, I think. See? Trophy, see? You also get pretty good, yeah. That ain't bad, but yeah, see? They get a lot, for pound, basically. And that was a tiger. They also get pretty. But we didn't lose. But I'll try to sit here and fish and fuck around. I'm just gonna make sure. Just a shot. Come and drink. Alright. Might have another good turnover. But yeah, you can catch them fast in the spot I was kind of noticing. So, well. But, well, I'll show them the setup in a minute. I guess I hadn't showed that part yet. I told you. Apparently I had too much fruit. Anyway. I think that was another one. I didn't get a good enough look at it. I'm gonna come up. Try to piss it off. Yep, see? Piss it off. Come on. Damn. I thought we were coming in here. Alright. Pissed it off. And hopefully. Oops. Oh, pissed. We're going to test this spot in just a second. If we fish this spot, probably fish mornings and till probably 9 or 10. Oh, 10. Let's see if there's any time. Push. So, but set up in a minute, but. Nothing fancy, but come on. I pissed it off, So yeah, I'll try to fish also. I'll just sit here and see if we can get a unique this morning. If not, after I show you, because after I kind of close the setup. If this is a unique, that'd be perfect. It's definitely in the video after I show you. No, good call then. If it's another tiger, definitely. I'm assuming minimum a trophy. Just because we've been fighting for a little bit. And he went out. So. Yep. See? Another trophy. See, look at that. 20,000 for that 71-pound trophy. 20,000. See? And 23,000 XP for money. Yeah, so I'll probably sit over here and then look, I also got the level because I was trying over here and I was lagging fucking bad. I was uploading a video, but every now and then you see I got to level 60. Oh yeah, I forgot about. Ooh yeah, now I have large lizards. I can buy it. Hello. Nothing fancy. I'll show my setup. Inventory. Just nothing fancy, man. That's what I was using for kitty cat fishing. And I have, oh yeah, titanium leader, or I thought I had titanium leaders on. Yeah, just nothing fancy, just what, 55 titanium lead pound? Because I didn't have nothing else bigger. That was the biggest titaniums I had. So, now I'm trying to use them up because I have several. Alright. The DLC. Into let's add. We just got our first unique. Look at 7. We were trying for it. 721 AM. Holy body. Yeah, look at the money. Or 51 and got 18,000. 17,000. Yes. I'll show you. Come on. 15. Yeah, yeah, basically down there, so. We was recording actually 38 minutes, so we'll just land this one. We're right, you know, down there, well, yeah, right beside that other, that's what I said. What we have here. After we land these, and if rod 3 don't have fish on it, could most likely rod 1 fish will be off there by the time we land this one. Take a little bit. Crazy. You can catch them fast. That's where it's crazy, because you can get lots of money and XP for them. See, so sometimes that works. Sometimes, especially when I assume if you wasn't using barbless, it'd stay on longer. I don't know. I've never tested that, but because I always use barbless to make it more XP. Don't know. If we don't have no other fish on rod 2, because I'll have to recast rod 1 back out there. I'll end the video here. You know, we drive down right here. Like I said, right there is that waterfall. Cast it there. And we just hooked it. We come, well, yeah, 5. I come over here. Started that video at 5 in the morning. That was the first. We got partly cloudy. I was fucking watching one of my other monitors. Other stuff I was watching. They were trying to do. I was doing that off camera while not off my other monitor. I have 3 monitors. One I record, one play game, that game. And now the third, sometimes I'll even have it on Twitch or watching something. That's what I was looking to see if anybody was on. Or like anybody or anybody. Nope. He hasn't played for a little bit. Or live stream for that. Oh wait, this might be another one. If it ain't a trophy, it's a big ass one. Be a big one. It'd be crazy if it'd be back to back unique. Or that would be funny. Yeah, I like this stuff because you make an insane amount of money fast, quickly. I haven't been testing it, but I was come over here last night at 8 p.m. So day 5, test this stuff. What we got here? Another unique back to back. Oh, look at this back to back. Look at the money. And yeah, more. They get bigger. But look at this. Fucking hot, basically like a hot spot. It's back to back. On, yes, they'll even partly Friday. What, 60 now? I didn't pay attention the first time. Oh yeah. There we go. God damn, I hear it. I'm getting by it. I'm not marking the number. Everything. Oh, the person cut him. Nah, this is fun. I actually like this boat. Yeah. I was over here and I turned it, started at 5, and I was almost, probably, 95%? done. I had like 5%. I didn't. See, look at, you know, and look at, you know, and this is just a small little guy. Look at the money. You know, not saying there ain't something else out there. Like what maybe bull shark would be. I don't know on that, but yeah, for pound, and you can catch them. I'm gonna fucking TIGERFISH until the daytime. No, because yeah. See, I'm gonna fish till I'm gonna test this spot to about 11. Well, about noon, and then probably we'll kick over here. You know, jump to here and then fish it to here. And I'm not fishing at night because I was catching kitty cats. So then I'll just fish this spot in the daytime. Up here and on over to that waterfall on the boat if you have a boat. If not, well, I don't know if you can fast travel over here someplace and then maybe cast over to that part. I don't know. I haven't tried that part. I've been on the boat over here yesterday. Alright. Hey. That was crazy. Oh yeah. Show proof, I guess. Fish. Keep. YouTube. Yeah. That's look. Both, see? Unique. And then unique. Yeah, they're crazy. Which you can also use shiners. And then also there's another bait that I was using to catch my out over there. The small something little fishy thing, but I'm out of there. They come with the DLC. Hey, thanks for watching, everybody. I'm gonna stop recording. But render this. And then come back over here. Oh yeah, see? I gained, because I was like, what, about there on, yeah, level 59, I was about here. And that, from 5 o'clock on, I've forgotten how much XP. I didn't even, I should have checked, but I'm too, but yeah, looked insane at exactly how much. I guess I could have done that. Oh. Well, thanks for watching, bro.